So Japan is super popular. I always get a ton of requests on how to book flights to Japan, but it's not easy to book because it's so popular, especially for business class. In this video, I'm gonna go over 3 different strategies on how you can book Japan airline flights over to Japan. So let's dive in. So first off, let's start with a little bit of background information about Japan Airlines. Japan Airlines is the flag carrier of Japan. They fly from US cities over to both of their major airports in Tokyo, Haneda, and Narita. They also have flights from the US over to Kansai, Osaka Airport as well. And Japan Airlines is a one world airline, which is important for the next section. So the problem with Japan Airlines is that no credit card points transfers directly over to Japan Airlines. So we have to do a little bit of a workaround. We have to leverage partner airlines. And so since Japan Airlines is part of the One World Alliance, that means that there's a bunch of other airlines that Japan Airlines partners with, and some of these other airlines we can transfer our credit card points over to. And so the plan here is to find award availability through some of the partner airlines that partners with Japan Airlines, and then we're gonna transfer our credit card points over to those airlines to book Japan airline flight. And so we have a couple different options, and in this video I'm gonna go over 3 of them. I'm gonna call them Easy Street, the Backdoor, and the Low Key Method. Not the best names, I don't know, I'm not good at coming up with these names, but those are the 3 strategies. Before we get into the redemption options, I'm actually in Japan right now, and we're gonna go walk over to get some lunch, and I'm able to navigate using Google Maps because I have cell phone data through my Airlo eSIM. eSIMs are a 100% digital solution to get cell phone data when you're traveling abroad. All you need to do is download the Airlo eSIM app, select from one of the 200+ countries where eSIMs are offered, and data packages just start at just a few dollars. You install the eSIM and you have cell phone data. Airlo also has regional eSIMs as well. If you plan on visiting multiple countries within the same region, it's much cheaper than paying your cell phone provider's international data roaming fees. And if you want to try Airlo, you can go check out the link in the description and use my code MAX3 for a discount on your first eSIM. Thanks Airlo for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back to the tutorial. So the first strategy is called Easy Street. It's called Easy Street because it's kind of easy. You book Japan airline flights through British Airways. And so the great thing about British Airways is that a bunch of credit card points transfers over to British Airways, including American Express points, Bilt points, Capital One miles, and Chase Ultimate Reward points. And the redemption rate ranges depending on where you're flying to and when you're flying over to Japan. Now I'll put some of the redemption rates on the screen right now, which these redemption rates are pretty okay. The taxes and fees are kind of in the medium range as well. But the great thing about British Airways is that a couple times a year, they often have transfer bonuses. And so if there's a 20% transfer bonus, that sweetens the deal, and it will require you fewer British Airways avios that you would need to transfer from your credit card points in order to make that booking. Searching for awards based on British Airways is kind of annoying though, is that because British Airways doesn't have an award calendar, you have to select day by day by day by day, which can be a lot of clicking and be really annoying. The best way to search for the award availability is through a different partner airline that does have an award calendar, like American Airlines website. So go on American Airlines website, and then you can search a route that's operated by Japan Airlines. If you find the Japan Airline flights over on the American Airlines website, then write down that date, and then you can go over to the British Airways website and search for that same exact date for the same exact flight, and chances are that Japan Airline flight will show up on the British Airways website. And once you find that Japan Airlines award availability on the British Airways website, that's when you transfer your credit card points over to British Airways, hopefully with a transfer bonus, and then you just make that redemption for that Japan Airline flight. Now this next redemption we're gonna call the backdoor, because officially we're not supposed to be able to book this way, but for the time being, due to some airline mergers, we are able to book Japan Airline flights through Alaska Airlines. So I'm not sure how long this will last, because Alaska Airlines is looking to shut down this backdoor as soon as possible. So take advantage of it as much as you can before that backdoor closes. So essentially this strategy is that we're gonna transfer American Express points over to Hawaiian Airlines, and from Hawaiian Airlines, we can now convert our Hawaiian Airline miles over to Alaska miles and book Japan Airline flights. And so Alaska Airlines is also part of the One World Alliance, and so that's how we're able to book Japan Airline flights through Alaska Airlines. And so the benefit of booking through Alaska Airlines is that the redemption rates are pretty good, and the taxes and fees are much lower than the British Airways website, which I'll put the redemption rates on the screen right now. And so as you can see, the redemption rates are pretty good, and the taxes and fees are much lower. The only downside is that oftentimes there's usually not a transfer bonus over to Alaska Airlines or Hawaiian Airlines, so you can expect these rates to stay the same, and you shouldn't expect ever to have a transfer bonus to Hawaiian or Alaska Airlines because those don't come around very often. Another great thing about Alaska Airlines is that they have an award counter that you can quickly search month to month. And so what you do is go on the Alaska Airlines website, click on the advanced search, and then you can do flexible dates, and that will give you the option to see this great award counter. And you can switch month to month to identify which dates have the best deals to go over to Japan. And the third strategy to book Japan Airlines we'll call low key, because not many people really consider this option, but it is a reliable option. It is consistent. It might not be the cheapest option, but it is a very consistent option to book business class flights over to Tokyo on Japan Airlines. And so this strategy consists of booking Japan Airlines through Cathay Pacific, and Cathay Pacific is also a oneworld partner, which is why we're able to book Japan Airlines through Cathay Pacific. And the benefit of booking through Cathay Pacific is that award availability shows up on Cathay Pacific's website for Cathay Pacific members before all the other airlines. And so before Japan Airlines award availability shows up on the American Airlines website, before the Alaska website, before the British Airways website, the award availability for Japan Airlines shows up on the Cathay Pacific website for Cathay Pacific members. And so you're able to book 360 plus days in advance on the Cathay Pacific website. And so oftentimes what happens is that there's a very limited number of seats available in business class that are bookable with points, and Cathay Pacific sees it first. If nobody books on Cathay Pacific, then they become available on some of the other websites like British Airways, American Airlines, or Alaska Airlines. But if they show up on the Cathay Pacific website and those get booked up, then those seats won't show up on British Airways, American Airlines, or Alaska Airlines website. So that's the benefit of booking through Cathay Pacific, is that the award availability shows up there first and you get first dibs on that award availability, especially for business class, which is super competitive. When it comes to earning Cathay Pacific miles, American Express, Capital One, Citi thank you points all transfer 1-to-1 over to Cathay Pacific. If you want more ways to redeem credit card points flights over to Japan, whether it's Japan Airlines, ANA, United, and so on, you can go check out my Japan redemption course, which I linked down in the description. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and thanks Airlo for sponsoring today's video. My Airlo link is also down in the description as well, so go check that out. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.